Hello and welcome in my class. I am Professor Adesh Kumar Srivastav, Associate Professor, School of Management, BD University, Lucknow. Today, I'll be discussing about functions of DBA, Database Administrator. With the constant rise of big data and its applications, management of databases has become a crucial process. Data has always been played a major role and hence organizations invest extensively in relational database management systems. But running these systems is not an easy task, and to effectively run and manage a database management system, it is very important to hire an expert database administrator. The functions of database administrator, actually the DBA is responsible for everyday working, maintenance and updating of the system. Hence, it is very important to understand the key roles and responsibilities of a database administrator. The functions and responsibilities of database administrators are the person in the organization who controls the design and the use of the database refers as database administrator. The main functions and responsibilities of database administrator are as follows. Number one, schema definition. The database administrator defines the logical schema of the database. A schema refers to the overall logical structure of the database. According to this schema, database will be developed to store required data for an organization. Number two, storage structure and access method definition. The database administrator decides how the data is to be represented in the stored database. That is, the entire structure, the storage structure, and the access method is defined by the database administrator. How the database will be stored and how the database will be accessed. Both the things are decided by database administrator. Number three is assisting application programmers. The database administrator provides assistance to application programmers to develop application programs. That is, the programmers, those who are designing the entire database, he actually assists those programmers with his instructions. Number four is physical organization modification. The database administrator modifies the physical organization of the database to reflect the changing needs of the organization or to improve performance. That is, physical organization modification is also done by database administration. If there is a change required in the physical organization, it modifies, the database administrator modifies that physical organization. Number fifth is approving database access. The database administrator determines which user needs access to which part of database. According to this, various types of authorizations are granted to different users. For example, if there is a big database, suppose we consider an example of BBD University. There is a huge database of approximately more than 22,000 students. So we have access that data and there are number of users who are accessing those data. Not only the teachers, the students, professors, other staff, uh, examination controller office, our accounts office and many other. So they have their own role and they need their own particular part of data or set of data to be accessed. So who is granted which access is all decided by database administrator. For example, for control of examination office people, the examination related data is access to him. For a particular accountant office data, those people are accessed for the fee data only, the data related with the accounts, and a particular student is accessed only, is granted the access only his database. So this is all about the access, approving data access, that which particular person is needed which kind of access. For example, the concerned dean of the department will be accessing the entire database of that particular department. Likewise, as per the hierarchy, the database access is approved by database administrator. So I hope this point must be clear to you. Now we move to the next point, that is monitoring performance. The database administrator monitors performance of the system. The database administrator ensures that better performance is maintained by making changes in physical or logical schema if required. So he monitors the performance constantly, and if there any change is required, either it is in physical schema or in logical schema, as per the requirement, the database administrator makes the change in that. So we move to the next point now. Point number 7 is backup and recovery. Database should not be lost or damaged. This is the main function of database administrator. This is the responsibility of database administrator. Apart from that, the database administrator ensures this periodically, backing up the database on magnetic tapes or remote servers. That is, he takes the backup of all the data periodically to the external devices. In case of failure such as virus attack, database is recovered from this backup. Now, a database administrator's responsibilities can include the following tasks. We have understood the functions, the main functions of database administrator, but those main functions include what task exactly. Now we will discuss all those tasks in detail. First is installing and upgrading the database server and application tool. Allocating system storage and planning storage requirement for the database system. Modifying the database structure as necessary from information given by application developers. So installing, upgrading and planning, all these are the tasks that includes in his responsibility. And enrolling users and maintaining system security. As I told you, the system security is the main task of database administrator. Apart from that, ensuring compliance with database vendor license agreement. Suppose there is a vendor license agreement, so the compliance of that agreement is also the responsibility of database administrator. And apart from that, controlling and monitoring user access to the database. Although he grant the access to all the users, but still the controlling and monitoring of all the users is necessary, and he does it very sharply, that which particular user is accessing what kind of database, so that if there, apart from all these management, if there is any chance of any malfunctioning or misuse of that database, he should maintain it, he should repair it, or he should improve it. Now, monitoring and optimizing the performance of the database. He continuously monitor and keep on making changes for the performance of database, so that the performance should be always improved. The planning for backup and recovery of database information is also one of the tasks. Apart from that, maintaining archived data, all the data that is not in general use but maybe later in use, he make those data in archived data. So maintaining the archived data is also an important feature, an important task. Backing up and restoring databases, contacting database vendor for technical support, generating various reports by querying from database as per need. So the report generation is also one of the tasks in his functions. Apart from this, that contacting database vendor for technical support is also his responsibility. Managing and monitoring data replication. and acting as liaison with users, with all kind of users, and overall management of the database system. So these are the tasks. Now we can see those roles and responsibilities of database administrator in one go. Number one is system application installation. Number two, assist during the installation. Number three, identify task problem and resolve it. Number four, monitors all database resources. Number five is ensure maximum service. Number six, make new recommendations. Number seven, continuous review and evaluation. Number 8, update software, hardware and services. Number 9, maintains standard security measures. Number 10, handles the database and data driven systems. Number 11, troubleshoot the problem if any. Number 12, participation in professional meetings. Number 13, monitoring regulations and technology changes. Number 14 is emerging products enhancement research. Number 15 is remodeling and upgrade of projects. And number 16 is other duties as applicable. So this is the roles and responsibilities of database administrator in Crux in one go. Now, the database administrator duties in detail. We will discuss all those duties in detail. Database administrator actively participates in planning the installation of new organization wide system and applications. He also assists during the installation as per specific functions. Implements the work plan for the department. He meets the staff to identify any problem, take measures, and resolve all the problems. The DBA monitors the efficiency and effectiveness of all database resources and thus keep the flow of work uninterrupted owing to technology. Ensures maximum service through identification of opportunities for improvement and make new recommendations. Continuous review and evaluation of the software, hardware, service delivery, and updates as and when required is also his duty. Apart from this, he maintains a data standard and security measures through the implementation of information technology plans, policies, and standards. So, maintaining a database standard and taking security measures through implementation of information technology is also his duty. The database administrator handles the divisions, database and data driven systems in an effective manner, thus provides high quality data analysis. Troubleshoot the problem if any. It includes a quick understanding of the problem and its resolution, restoration of the data, rectify the issue and minimize the damage. In his duty, actively he attends and participates in the professional group meetings, thus require knowledge of the new and upcoming trends and innovations in the IT field. Monitor the changes in regulations, technology, and its impact on operations and implements the new or better ones as required. So, these all are the tasks of database administrator. Apart from that, he continuously research on the emerging products and enhancement is also his duty. Accordingly, execute special projects for remodeling and upgrade. In addition, he may be assigned other duties and responsibilities by the network coordinator. And very important, apart from these regular and official duties, the database administrator has to maintain confidentiality as per the ethics. Any breaching of the rules, regulations, and ethics is a serious violation of acceptable conduct and the local authority freedom of information and protection of privacy act. So this is very important, that apart from all his regular duties and other responsibilities, the database administrator has to maintain confidentiality as per the ethics. Now, the types of database administrators. Many different types of database administrators exist. The most common types of database administrator is the general purpose database administrator, who performs all types of administration and data related work. However, it is not uncommon for database administrator to focus on a specific problem domain. For example, a database administrator may focus entirely on database design, perhaps broken into legal design and physical design. Some database administrator may specialize in building systems, whereas other database administrator may focus on maintaining and tuning existing systems or and narrow areas of database management and administration. Within larger organization, database administrator responsibilities typically are split into separate job types. The primary types of database administrator other than general purpose include system database administrator, database architect, database analyst, database application database administrator, task oriented database administrator, performance analyst, data warehouse administrator, and cloud database administrator. Their responsibilities includes as per the detail further. The system database administrator. His roles focuses on technical rather than business issues. The system database administrator is knowledgeable in the accurate technical detail of how the database is installed, configured, and modified. Database architect. This person primarily works on the design and implementation of new databases. The database architect designs new databases and structures for new or existing applications and is rarely involved in maintenance and tuning of established database and applications. So this kind of database architect is responsible for the architecture of the database but not the maintenance of the database. The database analyst. Sometimes junior database administrators are referred to as database analyst. A database analyst may perform a role similar to that of a database architect. A database analyst can also be just another term that companies use instead of database administrator. But more or less their job is just like a similar to that of database architect. Now application database administrator. This role focuses on database design and the ongoing database support and administration for a specific application or subset of applications. They are more likely to be an expert at writing and debugging complex structured query language and understand the best ways to incorporate database requests and into application programs. So this is his role, which focuses on database design and ongoing database support and administration. Now, task oriented database administrators. These are specialized database administrators that focus on a specific administrative task. Task oriented database administrators are uncommon outside of range IT shop, large IT shop. One example of a task oriented database administrator is backup and recovery database administrator, who ensures that organizations' database are recoverable, including creating backup plans, building and testing backup script, testing recovery scripts, and driving recovery tasks when required. So, such type of administrators are task-oriented database administrators. Apart from that, performance analyst. This is another specific type of task-oriented database administrator. The performance analyst is the most common of the task-oriented database administrators. His role focuses entirely on monitoring and improving the performance of applications that access databases. So the performance analyst is responsible for such type of task. Now, data warehouse administrator. This is a fully capable database administrator, but with specific knowledge and skills for monitoring and supporting the data warehouse environment. The data warehouse administrators must understand the differences between a database that supports OLTP and a data warehouse. So the data warehouse administrator are a fully capable database administrator with specific knowledge and skill for monitoring and supporting the data warehouse environment. Now, the cloud database administrator. With the upcoming trend of cloud computing, the cloud database administrator must understand the services, the cloud provider efforts, such as backup and security, to implement database in the cloud. Cloud database administrators need to be aware of latency, fault tolerance, and cost management. Now, the conclusion is this is not necessarily an exhaustive list of all the types of database administrators. There is not a single simple job out there with the title DBA that fits all IT professionals working with DBA in their title. It is also important to note that not every organization has each of these separate DBA types, because these database administrator types may be present in a big organization, but in small organizations some of them may be present, or only few of them may be present, or only one of them may be present, who cater all the needs and offers the roles and responsibilities for all these types of database administrators by his own. Thank you all for watching and listening patiently to my lecture of database administrator. Thank you a lot, and you are always welcome to ask any queries and doubts if you have related with all the topics that I discuss to the channel, and you are very much free to ask it anytime, offline or online. If you like this, you please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon also to get notified for all those videos that I upload for you students. Wish you a happy learning.